Yo, Makima is menace is an understatement. She's just terrifying. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Damon. Thank you for tuning in, and today we are back and we are watching more Chainsaw Man. Today we are reacting to episode 11, Mission Start. So last time on Chainsaw Man, we got introduced to a pretty cool character. I already like him. I don't remember what his name is if it was told to us though. But he is training Denji in power. He is just obliterating them though, like no mercy at all, just folding them all stop throughout the day, and it's pretty crazy. But he's pretty cool. He's so nonchalant, he's so monotone, and he's so badass though. So I don't know, I like him already. Hopefully we can keep this character around for like more than 3 episodes. Rest in peace, Himeno. And what else happened? So we also see Aki recovering from the big battle with all of the, I don't even know what to call the devils that showed up and attacked them. But he's recovering from that big battle, the battle where we lost Himeno, and like most of the devil hunters were exterminated basically before Makima came and did some nut shit. So Aki's recovering, and it looks like he's about to get a contract with a new devil. It also looks like the Fox Devil isn't cooperating with him anymore, or he can't use that devil. Not too entirely sure what exactly is going on there between those two, and if that'll ever be repaired or fixed going forward. But it looks like Aki is about to get a contract with the Future Devil, I believe is what they said. Future Devil. So interested to see what this is going to be, what this contract's going to be. Aki doesn't have a lot of time left apparently. I think he has like 2 years left maybe. I think that's what the Cursed Devil said his remaining lifespan is. So hopefully whatever this Future Devil contract is, hopefully it doesn't take too much more off of Aki's life, because he doesn't have too much more to give. So but yeah, with that being said, I'm excited to hop into the episode. So yeah, without further ado, let's do it. But before then, as always, just want to let you guys know you can check out the Patreon. The link will be in the description below. There you can check out the full uncut early reactions to many of the shows that we're watching here on the channel. I'd really appreciate it, and thank you for your support. So with that being said, let's just hop into the episode. So this is the chamber of the Future Devil. Yeah, Future Devil. Okay. Ooh. Half your lifespan, or both your eyes and your sense of taste and smell. I don't know which one is worse. Ugh, this thing's so freaky. We only see an eyeball. Oh, it's this thing. This is the thing from the intro. And we see him doing like some goofy dance. Let me see if I could actually find it. I'm not going to watch the full intro, but... Oh, no. Because it's before those goofballs dancing. Yeah, that thing right there. Okay. Oh, and he's doing his dancing. Oh. So he has the ability to see the future. What the heck? It is hard to take this devil seriously. Your death in the future will fucking rule. Oh. So he's just going to be his eye or live in his eye and that's it? Oh, they got a scratch off. So they're showing some progress? Some live combat with an eye toward training. Oh. So they're going for revenge. They're going after the enemy. Oh, it's heating up. He just trains people and sees them die, and it's affecting them. Yeah, she's behind something. Hmm. Hmm. Yo. Makima is a menace. Oh. Is that the guy who transformed into the sword? Is that his double name? The Sword Devil? So they're expecting the Devil Hunters to come after him. What is going on? Is this a zombie devil? They're not dead? Well, they're dead. How did they pull that off? Like, didn't Denji kill the zombie devil? So how did they get more? Well, they seem like good people. Wonder if we will see them again at some point. Makima is talking to who? The gun devil wants money? What the heck? And who is this guy? From other families. Yeah, I believe Makima is the embodiment of that. Are they trying? Are they trying to attack Makima right here? Can you not? I wouldn't be laughing at Makima, yo. It's somebody's limb. Hold on, what? What? Yo. Y'all done fucked up. Yo, Makima is menace is an understatement. She's just terrifying. Oh, Kobani's here. Why did they even give this man an axe? Like he's actually going to use it. We got Aki back in action. Oh my gosh. It's just a big battle that's about to happen. Kishibe. Entirely of non-humans. Who is this? We saw him in the intro. So we're finally meeting the other characters. I'm assuming the Shark Fiend. Oh, his power seems pretty sick. Oh, he can also transform into his devil form for brief periods of time. Interesting. Oh, okay, overhaul. The mask stays on no matter what. Oh, too late for her. Humanoid devils tend to be friendly. Okay, so this is the angel lady, the angel devil. Huh. Hold on. No enmity towards humans, but you'll want to keep your distance. She just ate his... Oh. Ooh. I don't know, I kind of like her already. But she could just shorten your life. And the captain is just outside keeping watch. Kishibe. Ooh. Uh-oh. Aki brought a sword to a gunfight. Is this Makima? What the heck? Oh my gosh. And did she kill everybody in there? Yo, and the fact that she keeps that same little ass smile too? No. We gotta do something about Makima. Okay, so this is the snake lady. Miss Orochimaru over here. Sasuke going towards Orochimaru. The Naruto themes are back. spit it out. The ghost devil? Oh, she's dead too? Is that Makima? Oh, so she has control of the ghost. Ooh, okay, Aki, turn up. Are we going to get to see him use the future devil here? And that's a different sword, isn't it? That's not the sword from the Oh, okay, so he really is just inside of his eye. And he'll be able to see into the future a little bit by using the future devil's power. But that's it. I mean, that's still a good-ass power to have, but... Ooh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, this thing is freaky. Come on, Aki. Do something. It's gonna end. It's gonna end. It's gonna end. Don't end. Don't. No. 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 Okay. But all right. Okay. So. Ooh, that was a pretty good ending. Man, what an episode. So we are on the assault now, or we're on the offensive now. We are assaulting the snake and the sword devil people and their gang, trying to take them out, get our get back for what they did. So that's going to be pretty cool. Makima, who the hell is this lady, yo? What is this lady? She pulled up to, I guess, a Yakuza hideout or house or whatever, with the eyes of the families of all the members there. Yo, she is a menace. Okay, hold on. First of all, that's very villainous for one. Yeah, no matter what, like, these are people's families. Who? Just because I'm a bad guy doesn't mean my grandma had to have her eyes snatched out. Like, oh my gosh. So, the first thoughts there, yeah, Makima. I don't know what she's on, but we need to do some digging into her. And speaking of that, we finally got the guy's name, or maybe we got it before. I don't know, but now I finally know it. Kishibe, who is the captain of Special Division 4. He seems a little leery and suspicious of Makima as well. So it's not just me. Yes, Makima is definitely a threat in some capacity, and it's funny though, he says, you know, as long as you're doing all of this with the best interest of mankind, basically, I'll overlook it, is kind of what he says. So I wonder if we're going to get like some type of face-off between those two. Like, he's definitely suspicious of Makima. Like, he doesn't see eye to eye with her. He doesn't agree with her actions. He thinks that she was behind, maybe not necessarily behind, but she knew of the assault that was going to happen, and she let it happen. And that's basically what I was theorizing. She let it happen so that she could take control over Special Division 4, I guess. Or I guess it's all of the special divisions in not just Special Division 4, but all of the special divisions in Tokyo. So Makima has some agenda, some motive here. Kishibe is onto it, but I guess, you know, for the moment, as long as she's doing things in order to help humanity, help humans, he won't, I guess, confront it too much, is kind of what I picked up from that. And we got introductions to some other characters that we've seen from the intro. So I think this is everybody that I could at least remember from the intro. We got the shark guy, the angel girl, Overhaul. There was a spider devil, and I didn't catch. It was kind of hard to follow, but I take it that she also is part of Special Division 4 or one of the special divisions. She's on our side basically. I mean, we didn't attack her, and when they were given all the character introductions, they specifically mentioned her, so I assume she's on our side. Although I didn't quite follow it in that moment. But yeah, so we got those characters. Oh, and Aki, yes, how the episode started, of course. Aki has a new contract with the Future Devil, who is just living behind his eye, so, which is pretty interesting. That Future Devil seems like he's a pretty funny character, pretty goofy character. My first impression of him was just while always watching the intro when I was seeing him, like, see what this thing is dancing, and now that I know it's actually the Future Devil, it's like, oh, okay, I can associate you to you now. So yeah, he seems like he has a little personality to him. I wonder what else we'll see from him. The power that I guess Aki has at his disposal now is he can glimpse into the future for a bit, but that's it. So again, that's still a pretty good power to have. I wonder how we're going to see Aki make use of it. That'll be interesting to see. But yeah, so that's another tool up his arsenal. Right now he's fighting against the Snake Lady, who actually is using the Ghost Devil that Himeno was once contracted with. So I guess her snake, whatever she eats, she can use that devil or power at a later date, because she said spit it up or something like that. And we did see that the snake ate it before, you know, the episode that Himeno died. So yeah, so that's pretty interesting. I don't think there's much else that I'm missing, but I definitely need to see more of Makima. We need to get like some investigation going on here, because she's on some other shit right now. And I'm just glad to see the other characters are definitely leery of her. So Himeno was at some point, but you know, she's off, but the captain is now. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see, you know, what becomes of that whole situation. But we got our crew. We're raiding where the devils are. We're trying to take them out, and we're just gonna have to see how it concludes. And speaking of how it concludes, I think there's only one more episode of this season, so that's going to be pretty upsetting, because there's a lot there's a lot that they could do with this show, or at least there's probably been a lot that's already been done with the show. I just don't know it. So I don't know if there's been an announcement of season 2. I would be highly surprised if this show does not get a season 2 and beyond, because it's had great reception and it's doing really well. A lot of people are talking about it, and I need my season 2. So hopefully we get that announcement at some time, and hopefully it's not a long wait before it comes out, but we'll just have to see. I assume we're getting a season 2 here, so I'm gonna try to refrain myself from dabbling into the manga, so that I can see it all animated for me. But man, I'm talking like this is the last episode of the season. We still got one more, I think. So with that being said, I'm just going to leave it there, and I will see you all on the next episode. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in, and this is your host, Damon, signing out. Peace.